Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato sauce using Roma tomatoes. First, choose about 2 pounds of ripe, firm Roma tomatoes. These are ideal for sauce due to their meaty texture and low water content. Wash them thoroughly, then carefully remove the core from each one. Finally, make a small X incision on the bottom of every tomato. This simple step will make peeling much easier later on. Next, we will blanch and peel our tomatoes. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop the scored tomatoes into the boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds. You will see the skins begin to split at the X mark. Immediately transfer them to a bowl of ice water to halt the cooking process. Once cooled, the skins will slip off effortlessly, leaving you with perfectly peeled tomatoes. Now it is time to cook our sauce. Roughly chop your peeled tomatoes. In a large pot, sauté finely diced onion and minced garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Add the chopped tomatoes, along with fresh basil leaves and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours, stirring occasionally to deepen the flavors. Finally, let us finish and store our homemade tomato sauce. Season generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can use an immersion blender or transfer it to a regular blender. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.